Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here from VW World. Just coming to you guys today to see what you guys think about this exterior color on this 2019 Tiguan called Stone Blue Metallic. Definitely a unique, different color that you don't see very often. New to the Volkswagen lineup, you can see here that it's actually a pretty neat color. We're kind of going through a phase between clouds and sun here, so hopefully we get a little more sun here in a second. I know we got some clouds overhead. But with the sun on this, you can really see a lot of that metallic in the paint, which is really neat. Try taking a closer look here at this color, and I'd say it changes quite a bit with light to dark on it, but definitely I think a pretty neat color. Walk around this Tiguan here. This is a SE with 4MO. We can see all angles of this stone blue metallic. To me personally, well, it's kind of hard. You see a lot of green in there besides the blue. You kind of see like those blue right there. It's definitely a lot different, but it overall looks really good. Around the back here. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section below what you guys think of this color. Is this something you guys would actually buy? Or is that a color you even like? Or do you think Volkswagen's going to go away with it pretty quickly? I don't know how many of these they're actually making. You know, comment that in as well. I'm guessing not a lot, since overall, looking through Volkswagen's inventory, haven't really seen too many in this color. Looks like they're slowly getting allocated to different dealerships from Volkswagen. But that is a quick look, guys, at this 2019 Tiguan in Stone Blue Metallic. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep bringing more Volkswagen videos out to you guys. And make sure you leave your opinion on this color below. Thanks guys, until next time.